What is up, you guys? Welcome back to a new video of mine. Today I'm going to be sharing with you kind of like a vlog style video, and we are going to go straight into it. We are getting ready to work out. I'm stretching, she's stretching, we're getting prepared, but let me tell you, I was not mentally prepared. This freaking workout kicked my butt. But make sure you guys drink your water. We got our hydro jugs here, and let's go ahead and get into today's workout. We went ahead and followed along to a DVD called Insanity, so it's just a DVD and you can plug it in or play it or whatever, and you guys can follow right along, and it is a 45-minute workout, and let me tell you, Sean T kicked my booty, okay? He has tons of different little workouts, and it also has stretching and kind of like a cool down session at points, so definitely a really good thing to have if you guys could get it. It's kind of like Beachbody and stuff like that, so I absolutely love these type of things because I feel like it gets my heart rate up, makes me sweat, and I feel like somebody kind of pushing me and telling me what to do is better than me giving up and being like, alright, I'm done. So definitely following along to a video is really helpful, especially with losing weight. So if you guys are new to my channel, I've lost 30 pounds, so that's why I'm giving you some advice. But that's pretty much it. But I'm going to go ahead and finish this workout, and we'll get into what I'm going to eat for dinner.
Ryan Little.
Alright, you guys, so I just finished our workout. We did Insanity, and we did a different one today, and that one was, oh my gosh. And that's why they call it Insanity, because it was insane. I sweat so much. It was crazy, but so glad we did it. I feel a lot better. I took a shower, if you guys can't tell, my hair's all wet. Yeah, but I just wanted to go ahead and start making something to eat. I did want to show you guys these containers I got from Costco. It's really, really nice. It's these containers that help keep your produce fresher for a lot longer. So it helps kind of with airflow and just making sure like there's a moisture built up in there so it can stay crisp and fresh. So I'm just really excited to try those out. I think I might prep out some fruit later and use the containers and see how they work. So if you guys are interested to see that, then keep on watching. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and make something to eat. Hello, hello. Can you tell them what you're doing?
No.
TikToking? That's all you care about now? Hi, babies. Say hi. That fat basset. That is my salad. As you guys saw, I put rotisserie chicken. I just had a pre-bag from Costco, and it had like kale and all kinds of stuff in it, and I added the little cranberry and seeds that it comes with. I did do a balsamic glaze with some dressing that it came with, and avocado. I did warm my rotisserie chicken in the microwave, so hopefully that's good. That's really good. Yeah. Yeah. I like it a lot. I also took that same salad and prepped it out for a lunch for the next day, since I know I'm going to have to go to work. So that's one tip that I love to do if you guys want any advice from me, is just to meal prep and stay ahead and just be prepared for whatever comes ahead if you are on a journey and you are determined. But I just took that ranch dressing type of stuff that it came with in the salad, and then I also added it with the balsamic glaze and mixed it together in a little to-go cup, and then put the lid on, and it's all good to go. Notice that it had is when you take this off, you guys can dump any excess water, or you guys can fill this with water, because it tells you certain vegetables and fruits actually need like water at the bottom to kind of help keep it fresh. So that's really neat. On the sides here, these vent thingies, it opens up so it allows airflow to come through. So that's really cool, and then you guys can always put it back into place if that certain product doesn't need air. But love this. I feel like this will come in super big handy if I wanted to do like big bunches of like lettuce mix or salad mix, or even like a big thing of grapes. I'll probably use this for my grapes. And then this next big one here. Actually, I think I might use this one for my grapes and this one for strawberries. I don't know yet, but we'll definitely use these. I feel like these would be really good for like raspberries or something that we don't like have a ton of. So these are really nice to have, just like a couple different sizes. But oh, I'm so excited for these. vegetable chips. I get these at Costco. They have like taro, parsnip, sweet potato, and batata. That's the vegetables. It is real vegetable chips and made with sea salt, non-GMO, and the macros on them aren't really that bad. There's 16 grams of carbs for 1 ounce, so 28 grams. I don't know exactly how much that is, but I'm just gonna have a little bit and drink some more of my hydro jug. I'm trying to up my water intake right now. I think I'm right about here, and that's not enough. So I gotta drink some more water and snack on these. So that's what I'm doing. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. I'm just gonna sip on this coffee. I'm gonna have some dark chocolate with almonds, and then I'm gonna work on my computer a little bit, and I am going to bed.